Hello, welcome to Education Mania YouTube channel. How to use pronouns, with examples.
I, my, me, mine. I am 9 years old. I go to school every day. I live with my parents. My books are heavy. I go to school with my friends. My teacher is very nice. My teacher advises me to study well. My parents give me money every day. Give me a cup of water, please. These books are mine. Which one is mine? It's your money, not mine. You. Your. Yours.
You are a boy. You love to write. You are sad. I like you very much. This is for you.
I like your dress. What is your name? That is your cat. The cat is yours. Is this yours, Mrs. Emma? He, his, him. This is a boy. The boy wears a yellow shirt. He is my friend. He is kind. He is a good boy. He has a dog. His name is Ken. His shirt is yellow. His shoes are brown. The shoes are his. That is his dog. That dog is his. I like him, he is nice. They could not give him any help. She. Her. Hers. This is a girl. She wears a blue dress. She is my friend. She is kind. She is a good girl. She has a cat. She wears gray shoes. Her name is Mia. Her dress is blue. Her socks are red. Her brother gave the dress to her. That is her pencil. The pencil is hers. The blue dress is hers. We. Our. Ours. Us. We are a family. We always play together. We love cats. These are our balloons. Our balloons are colorful. The balloons are ours. The cats like us very much. The cats play with us. They make us happy. They, them, their, theirs. They are students. They are clever. They have many books. They like to read. Their parents buy books for them. Their teacher loved them very much. This is their teacher. They learn from their books. The blue book is theirs. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you next video.